Welcome to Miss Sharon's Story Time, brought to you by the Morgantown Public Library system. Today we're going to read The Very Hungry Caterpillar, which is one of my all-time favorite stories. It's by Carle and it's from Penguin Books, and I think you'll like this story. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. Oh, now watch what he does on Saturday. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. Look at all that. That night, he had a stomach ache. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that, he felt much better. Now, he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks, then nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly. Oh, I love that story. Okay, I hope you like it too. If you stop by the library to pick up a packet, I'd like to tell you what's in it. First of all, this is a picture that I made. Now, I gave you a white paper and I put 2 flowers on there for you, okay? And then I included 2 butterflies. So now you can see I made stems and leaves and grass and the sun. And then when you glue the butterflies on, you just put a little bit of glue on the body part, and then gently you can fold up the wings and they'll stand up, okay? So that's the first thing. The next thing is you'll find a plain red card and this very cool sticker sheet of all kinds of very hungry caterpillar things. And you can make this card for a friend or somebody in your family, okay? The next thing is a very hungry caterpillar dot to dot, and you can probably tell what that's going to be just by looking at it. And then this tells about my story time. And then you will find a little surprise. So always pick up the packets because you never know if there'll be a surprise in it. And it's a very hungry caterpillar ruler. Isn't that cute? Okay, so I hope you enjoy all those things, and I will see you the next time. Keep reading. Bye-bye.